Hey, are you struggling with gym anxiety? Well, today I'm going to be explaining to you what gym anxiety is and the things that I had to overcome when I was at the gym and I was scared and I was in the beginning of my journey and how I thought that something was wrong with me because of the way I felt. Let's get into the video. So, in the beginning, I was really scared. So, to get over it and to make it easier for me, I started with cardio. So, I would just go pick any kind of cardio equipment, try to pick a piece that was kind of, by myself, and, just do my workout, sweat a little bit, burn some calories. But eventually, you have to do other things. You can't just always use the cardio equipment. So I finally slowly build up the confidence to start using some of the strength machines, and I think basically I was thinking too much about it, and a lot of people will say, I feel like people are watching me, I feel like, that I'm being judged and blah blah blah. But in reality, anxiety for me is just me making stuff up in my head that doesn't actually exist. So that is one of the biggest things that you have to think about when you're feeling this certain way, is it really the truth? Now, I would say pretty much 100% of the time it's not the truth, because you don't know that person. And just taking a step back, and as you're feeling these awful feelings, think about, am I making this up? Am I making it harder for myself than it is? And, taking a step back, taking a few breaths, saying to yourself that it's going to be okay, that it's always been okay because you're still alive, and that's the best part about it. Start slow. So I always recommend, I recommend weight training, and you need to get started with weight training. So I would start with the small machines that are easy to use and just start there. And as you do that for a few weeks or a few workouts, then maybe work your way over to the dumbbell exercises and things like that. Also, if you're at the gym and it's busy, try to pick out the sections of the gym that aren't as busy. And I think that might help you, get going. So I've been working out for years now, and now it's not really that big of a deal. But even once in a while, to this day, sometimes I'll go over and I'll be like, I don't know, I think he's gonna judge me, or he's gonna look at me, or the way I'm doing this exercise might not be perfect. Someone that's more experienced than me might think I'm stupid or whatever. So, but again, that's me thinking about that person's thinking the exact same thing that I'm thinking of, and generally we don't think the same. So I think that's like the biggest tip with dealing with gym anxiety, is that just take a step back and to really think about, what is this person actually thinking, and is this really happening? Is this really true, or is it just made up? But I would say that you are normal to have some of those feelings, and it really just comes down to, how much, and is it really negatively affecting your life in a way where you can't get anything done, and there's a lot of things that you want to do, and you're having trouble doing it because of the way you're thinking. And I'm not a big person to believe in medications and stuff like that. So for me, I just try to, meditation has been a tactic that I used. Guided meditation I use the Calm app, and it kind of just gets me out of my head and into the actual moment, and not making things bigger than they are. And of course, after a workout, you're gonna feel a lot better. So even if you're feeling anxious, like I said, if you don't feel comfortable enough to hop on the treadmill, to get off the treadmill onto like weight training exercises, then just do some cardio. Go for a walk, go for a run, whatever you have to do, and you'll feel better at the end. But the biggest thing is like everything in this channel, it's a journey. So wherever you are today, you can change. I believe it. There's no doubt about it. It might be a slow process. It might not go as fast as you want. But if you keep going, keep doing some guided meditations, or just, sit, breathe in a quiet area, keep working out, whether it's on the cardio equipment, whether it's alone, walking in the woods, whatever it is, keep going and try to make it better. And I also like to read positive books. The self-help books are great. Positive mindset, positive thinking. And for me, it really stemmed from a lot of negative thoughts in my head that made things a lot worse. So if you go more positive, self-help books, guided meditation, keep working on yourself, self-development, you can deal with gym anxiety and also anxiety in general. So I hope you got something out of this, and please like and subscribe, and also look out for more videos just like this one.